Yeah, hi, this is John, and today I'm going to be talking with you about a wainscoting that we're putting up along a set of stairs. We just started the job today, and just to give you an idea of the process, by the way, you see that light switch there, it's sort of in the middle of the trim work, but of course, obviously, we're going to have to move that light switch up. The good news is the wires that are in here, they actually come from the top of the wall. So we're going to run the light switch somewhere around here. We'll follow that wire. So it's not a real hard move with this particular light switch. If we went the other way, obviously, it would be a problem. But here's how we started with this job. First thing that we did was we laid out the wall. You can see the marks we put in here. This area is going to actually get a chair rail. And then we have the trim underneath it. Now, I'll just give you an idea what a chair rail looks like. Let me swing the camera over here a little bit. And down here, you can see the chair rail. We're actually going to put some wainscoting on this wall also, but the chair rail is going to be on top to help make it look nice. Over here, back to the wainscoting we're doing on the stairwell. First thing we did was we marked everything out, and then we started to cut the trim boards. This is called a cap base, and that's been cut, mitered in the corners, and you have these angled cuts. That's a miter cut. You can take a look at it going all the way up the wall. Now, a lot of people, what they do is they'll frame it like this and then paint this perhaps a different color on the wall itself. This is the drywall, and it looks like wainscoting. What we're going to do here is a little bit different than that. What we're actually going to do is in the empty space here, we're going to put a piece of plywood, smooth plywood, and paint it. And by doing that, it's going to give it a real classic type of wainscoting look. But you can take a look at what we started doing already up here in the stairwell. You can see we did start some chair rail on this side of the room, on this side of the stairs. And then as it came up top, it starts to turn a little bit. Has a little bit of a different pattern, because what we're doing is we're actually following the stairs, and that's where the stairs turn. So it gives you an idea of what the wainscoting looks like. We've been out here most of the day today, just planning, cutting the lumber, and getting this in place. Now there's a room that we're trying to match the wainscoting to. So let me show you that. I'll swing down here. You can see over here, this wainscoting is actually completed. And so we're trying to match this look. And again, we have the chair rail, we have the base cap, and then underneath here, this is actually plywood. That's not the drywall itself. So that gives you a quick look of how to do wainscoting.